How to log in to monday.com. To do so, open up a preferred web browser and in the search box, type in monday.com and perform your search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site for monday.com, which looks like this. Monday.com is a popular team collaboration and project management platform which allows its teams to plan, track, and manage work effectively. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Get Started button and then follow the registration prompt. In order to create an account, you can continue using an existing Google account to sign up or enter the email registered with your company. If you've already registered for an account and you'd like to log in and access it back, then click on the login link at the top right. Now, you can enter your work email address in the text box. Now, click on the next button and then enter your password associated with monday.com account. If you don't remember your password, get help by clicking the Forgot Your Password link. After filling in your password correct, click on the login button to get access to monday.com account. You also have an option to sign in using an existing Google account, but make sure to use this option only if you've registered for the account using the same option. And just by doing that, you'll be able to log into your monday.com account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.